Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you some more time saving command especially for beginners. So let's start directly. Make one model for every command so it will be easy and I can save time in the video also. So the first command is super trim. In normal trim, suppose we want to trim this area, so we have to just simple type tr for trim, double enter, and one by one we need to trim. It will take so much time from you. So instead of that, we have another command which is called tx, enter. Then you have to select from one corner to another corner where you want to make trim. Select. See, once you select, it will trim all the edges. So it is saving too much time of your time, especially while you're doing design or your project. So this is called super trim in our language. Second, I will go to sc with the base. It is a scale command. Suppose you have two objects, you want to make this one similar to that another object. So normal scale, select object, enter, make a first point, and then you have to here make a reference. So reference, again you need to put one point here, second point, and third point, like that. So it is like a mirror image of that. So third one is hatch with associative. This command specially for beginners, they don't know how to do hatching. If you see here, while I'm moving cursor, so the hatch will go with the line, and here it will not go with the line. Even other side also. So it is while you're doing hedging, I'll just make a rectangle and copy this to down. Okay, now in both of them I will do hedge command. Hedge, enter. Here I'm doing hedge. I will just check this one looks better, and okay. So here if I select associative and then close, okay, just I'll increase the size a bit so you can see easily, and again another one hedge here, and I will deselect this associative and close. So you will see the difference with this associative, which is with associative, this hedge is moving with the boundary. See, while you're moving the boundary any direction, it will go with the boundary. And here this hedge, this is the close associative for that, so it is not moving. So this is very easy to do like that, to move the hedge with the boundary. So sometimes we need to extend the boundary of the hedge, so it is a very useful command for the beginners. Another one for dimension, or delete this. See, while you're making dimension from here to here or any point, you see normally coming on that only the figures, and then we have to do text and write that. There is one command, it's called dempost. So with the help of dempost, we can write directly with the dimension command. So dempost. Now here what you want to write, if your unit is centimeter, you have to write centimeter. If your unit is millimeter, you have to write millimeter. So I'll put centimeter, enter. Now while we're taking dimension, directly centimeter is coming with the dimension. The same, this one I will delete here. I'll retake that dimension. So it's coming with centimeter, which is saving too much time for you while designing or drafting any of your project. Then next one is pick 8. Sometime while you selecting one object and another one, so the first one is deselect. You have to use shift command to select both two or three object. Okay, so to add all one time also you have to do that, but sometimes it is not possible, you have so many line in the middle. So the command which is there, pick 8, enter, sorry again, pick 8. Okay, now here the value is 0. I'll put here 1. So once you put 1, now I'm selecting this object, this so it is not deselecting the first object which we select. So you can select multiple objects with just click on that. And there is also another option in the same. I will just pick 8, again I'll put 0 value. So again you can see while I'm selecting this, another one, the first one is deselect. That another one is coming in option. So just type op, enter for option. You see in selection we have use shift to add selection. Just deselect that, apply. Okay, now with this command also we can select many object like this. Now we'll go to next one. It is very normal command, actually not time saving, but sometimes people are forget to use it. It's called breakpoint. So normally we're using trim, but sometimes if you want to break the line or circle in some 2 points, so it's using especially for that. We'll just write PR for break. Where you select, that will be the first point of breaking. So suppose I'm selecting this line from here. Once I select, so if I want to just remove this portion, on second point where I select, that area will be break. You can see here this is gone. I'll repeat the same command, BR, enter. I'll select here, wherever I'm going that area will be cut. So select like that, it's the circle itself, that much area is break. So I hope you like this video.